Hi everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. If you are new here, welcome. Today I am sharing with you a few things. I am revamping these mirrors that I had in my home. The color is not to my liking any longer, so I will be spray painting them. And I also will spray paint this trim that goes inside of my Goodwill mirror. Well, no, my Goodwill picture frame that I purchased a few months back. So if this looks like something that you will enjoy watching and seeing what I am creating, please keep on watching. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the notification bell until it turns gray. Then you will receive alerts when I upload new videos. So with that being said, kick back and relax and check out my video. All right, guys, we have completed spray painting the mirrors. Here I want to share with you how I coated the mirror with the Elmer's glue stick, and I thought it would be much easier and quicker by doing it this way versus taping up the mirror or tracing out a piece of paper, a circle into a piece of paper, and then taping that to the mirror. I didn't want to go through all of that, so I just applied the glue stick to the mirror. This is a technique that I learned from Sharon. She's so fabulous, and I'm going to show you how easy it will come off. As you can see, it is spray paint over the coating of the glue stick. All I am using is a damp paper towel to remove the excess of spray paint and glue. Voila. All right, moving along to the next project. Here I am showing you this beautiful sofa table that I found at my local Goodwill. And guys, this was a whopping $19.99. I am in absolute love. This piece have a few scratches, but nothing major. This is a beautiful piece of solid wood. I'm guessing that is wood. It's a possibility that is particle board, but whatever the case may be, I'm satisfied with the style, the heaviness, and also the price. So guys, I will be using this in my entryway, and I am excited because it's the right size for it. I am loving the detailing on the legs and also the detailing that's going alongside of the front of the bottom shelf. This is absolutely a great buy for 20 bucks. And that is why I love going to the Goodwill. Okay, now I am going to begin the cleaning process. I always wipe my items down with Clorox wipes before I put them in my vehicle. But now I will be washing it down with my microfiber cloth. This is hot soapy water. I have Dawn soap liquid in it, and I have a tad bit of bleach. Another great tip that I learned off of YouTube is using your paint cans to elevate your piece, to give it height so that you don't have to do extra bending, and it helps you have your piece at eye level so that you can really guarantee that you're covering every inch of your piece. Now, I would love to know if you have any tips or hacks that I can use when I paint my next piece. So leave me a comment down below or a suggestion down below that I can incorporate into my painting technique. Now here I'm just using some leftover paint from my daughter's dresser. I'm basically using what I have at home. I did not go out and purchase anything. So I'm going to allow this to play to music, and I will be back momentarily. But again, leave me some tips that you have or suggestions down in the comments box. Okay, guys, we are one coat in and it's looking pretty good. I believe it's going to take at least 3 coats to create the look that I'm looking for, the complete coverage. So I'm going to dive on into doing another coat or two, and I will check back with you guys momentarily. Hey guys, we have completed the 3rd coat. It is dry. Now we are going to the final step, which is applying this clear matte polyacrylic. I want to dull down the shine. This is not the look that I want. It's kind of too shiny for me, but I'm hoping that this matte coverage will give it the look that I am looking for. So we are going to dive on in and get at least 3 coats of the polyacrylic applied. If you are still rocking with me, I appreciate you all hanging in. It means so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment or a suggestion on what I can use on my next piece, because I do plan on painting another piece. What do you guys use to seal your painted furniture? Leave me a comment down below. we are approaching the end of this video. I will come back in a few days to show you the finished look. It's going to take a few days for it to dry before I can style my entry table out. So I appreciate you all watching until the end. Be blessed and be a blessing to someone else.